A Dothan pastor and activist is asking a federal judge to be released from prison early due to severe, serious medical issues.
Founder of the Ordinary People Society and Prodigal Child Project, Kenneth Glasgow self-filed a motion last week for compassionate release and a modification of his sentence. The 58-year-old man was sentenced to 30 months in prison for drug conspiracy, Social Security, and mail fraud in July of last year. After changing his plea 4 times, he eventually pled guilty to stealing nearly $500,000 from one of his tax-exempt organizations and sending false information to the Social Security Administration to obtain disability payments and related health benefits under the Medicare and Medicaid programs, and conspiring with a man to possess cocaine with the intent to distribute. Glasgow, in the motion for release, claims that he has been suffering from a myriad of medical issues such as hypertension, diabetes, obesity, and asthma for the past few years, and feels that some of them are not being treated by the staff at his current institution that he has been serving at in Georgia, and it could lead to serious sickness or even death. Glasgow is asking the federal court in Montgomery to place him under home confinement or supervised release for the remainder of his sentence. If released, he tells the court that he will live with his family in Dothan and care for his elderly mother. He says he will continue to work for TOPS and PCP while attending required counseling and treatment program meetings. Glasgow is known in the community as an activist pushing to secure voting rights for convicted felons, helping nonviolent women bond out of jail, and feeding those in need through Mama Tina's Mission House in Dothan, which he says he wants to continue to do if he was released, while also helping people who struggle with substance abuse.
And a federal judge has given prosecutors in the case until February 20th to respond to Glasgow's motion.